like this ball.
Can you throw it?
I like this ball.
Give it. Throw it.
Big ball.
Big. You gonna throw it? Throw it for Gunner.
Throw it.
Throw it that way.
Huh?
Throw it to me. Can you throw it to Brett?
Throw it.
Throw it. Can you kick it? Come here. Throw it. Throw.
He's like, I love this. I don't want to give it up.
Throw it. Throw it to Brent.
Throw it.
Throw it, buddy. Throw it.
Throw the ball.
You don't have any space for my throwing arm. Dude, get off me, dude. I gotta wing this baby. Throw it, Elijah. Throw it. Oh, what was that?
Can't really see you very well, Wendell.
He looks at Gunner and he's like,
Wendell.
get it. Hey, you're right.
Wendell, give him the ball. Give him the ball. Give him the ball.
I stuck my thumb like right there. It's gonna be still and do it. You gonna throw it?
You throw the
You
ball?
gotta throw it. You gotta throw it. He's gonna take it away. Throw it to Brent. Can you throw it to Brent?
You throw it to Brent? All right. Woo woo.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Good throw. Get it from him. Get it. Can you get it? Can you get it? Go, Wendell, go. Go, Wendell, go. Go, Wendell, go. Go, Wendell, go. Go.
Is that funny? Elijah, is that funny? Yeah. Yeah, is that funny? Yeah. You get the ball?
Throw it to your dad. Can you throw it this way, brother? Throw it.
So what are you guys going in July, right?
Yes. Yeah, third week of July.
Nice.
Throw it to Brent.
Is that the only
Throw
trip
it.
you guys are doing this summer?
Throw it.
It'll be plenty. It'll be nice.
Nice.
Throw it over him.
This little sucker's trying to get my ball.
He's like, I'll get closer.
Whoa!
He's gonna sit in your lap.
Good job.
Can you get it?
Uh-huh.
Get it? Ready?
Oh.
No, it's really okay.